Chapter that we want to cover is revenue management challenges. So far we have discussed the strategies, the steps in revenue management, competition analysis, inventory management, distribution. We have to look at the prices in detail, how we set up the prices, how we analyze the report, what kind of reports we need actually, and what are the sample reports, how we can collect the reports. Now we look at the challenges. So what are the challenges potentially? The first challenge is obviously the availability of data. You have seen we need a lot of reports. We need details reports. The data, availability of data can be a concern if the hotel is not collecting the data via property management systems, is using Excels. It will be very difficult to get the data, to get the revenue management. Then the data of competitors, then the data of industry in the city, then the data of industry in the country. So not only your own data, the data can also relate to the industry, relate to the city, relate to the customers or competitors. We need that data to make the reports, but if the data is not available, we are just doing a very wild guess. Even with the data, we are still making a just articulated guess, but still a best guess, right? We cannot do the 100% accurate forecast, but we can do a very good guess. So the availability of data remains a very big challenge. So revenue managers first need to evaluate, can we collect the data or not? If not, we need to employ the systems so that we can actually collect the data for revenue management. The not only availability of data is important, the quality of data is again a very important concern. You may have the tools to collect the data, but if the staff is putting the wrong number, if the customer is Chinese, they are putting as Japanese because by user mistakes, then again the data will be very messy. If you are putting the wrong revenue segmentation, putting the wrong distribution channel into the property management system, even though you may have system to collect the data, at the end you may get the data, but if it's wrong, you will make wrong decisions, correct? Then we have timely implementation. So how fast we can evaluate the data, how fast we can analyze the data. In my experience, sometimes it takes 10 to 15 days just to analyze the previous month number. That is way too long number, right? Because you are already losing 15 days to make any new impact into the revenue management practices. So how you analyze the data? You are using any system, you are using Excel, or you are doing it manually. So it means that you need to do the analysis, you need to do the collection in a very timely manner, very fast manner, so that you can spend your most of the time in analyzing the data, not in collecting the data or not in manipulating the data. Then there are some system limitations to implement the strategies. You may want to do a dynamic pricing. So you may want day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 price to be different. System may not be able to support it. So how you're going to do that? You're going to create multiple reports or multiple rate plans and put into the system one by one. Again, manual job. So sometimes we may want to implement certain strategies, but system doesn't allow us because systems has limitations. Property management system may have limitations, your channel manager may have limitations, your booking agent may have limitations. So there are very system related limitations which may be present while you want to implement your strategies. Another one is the slow tech advancement for the hotel, where in the hotel websites compared to the OTAs. So OTAs are very advanced now. They have a lot of money to spend on the promotion of their website to make their recommendation systems very strong compared to the hotel website, which are at best static. They don't change. There's not even a single machine learning or artificial intelligence to segment the guests, to even to show the different rates to different customers, or to have a language change. Usually small hotels, they may not even have a website. So that is again a very big challenge in revenue management. If the hotel website is dynamic, they can understand the customer, you can make them to log in and then do a personalized pricing, best. But if you don't have, at least customize your website as per the geography where the customer is accessing it from, That also is a good effort, but it also requires technology. So OTAs can do that because they have money, they have investment. Hotels, their website is not the core focus, so that's again a challenge in the revenue management. Another is historical data may have some relevance, but very less, because the history may not always repeat itself. The world is changing super fast. What mattered last year does not matter anymore. The social media, which used to be the very important last year, will not be important anymore. OTAs, which used to work last year, are not existent, or they are bought out by another OTAs. Travel agents are coming and going. So the impact is very fast. The competition keep on changing very fast. So the historical data we may have may be very less relevant to make the future decisions, but we still need a basis. But we should not always 100% blindfoldly rely on the previous data. Need to make your own judgments and look at the future indicators if the data is still relevant or not. The last one is talent. Revenue management, as you have seen so far, requires a lot of analysis, especially when it comes to making a judgment, making the price judgment, evaluating the competitors, doing the inventory controls, making a forecast for the future demand based on the past historical data. It requires a lot of judgments. It requires a lot of skills, Excel skills, system skills, and those skills are not available in the market, especially in the underdeveloped countries, Southeast Asia, Asia. We don't really have very good revenue managers, while if you compare to the West or US, there are revenue managers which are established, which have studied revenue management. So that is the objective of this course as well, to teach at least the fundamentals of revenue management to the general public, so that you can do it, but actual implementation still remains in your hands. So revenue management is still a challenging field, not only from doing perspective, from understanding perspective.